Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to switch from professional account to personal account on Instagram. So let's get started. First open the Instagram app on your mobile phone, and then you're on the overview. You see your profile icon on the lower right side, click this one, and then next on the upper right side click the three lines icon then go to settings and privacy. So, by the way, before creating this video, I already set up my Instagram account to professional account so that we can switch it to personal account. So, right under settings and privacy, you'll be able to see this for professional. And under this one, you see creator tools and controls. So, click this one and you see some options. So, and you'll be able to see to switch account type. So you need to click this one and you'll be routed to see two options like switch to business account or switch to personal account. So click switch to personal account, and then this is the final steps to for you to switch your Instagram account from professional account to personal account. So just click this one and that's it. Your Instagram account will set up to personal accounts. To check this one, we need to go to for professionals again, account types and tools to check. So will you be able to see switch to professional account since your account is already on personal account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.